gentlemen, to our educational video unveiling the gene therapy, navigating the science and ethics.
Today, we embark a journey to unravel intricate world of gene therapy and exploring its
Fundamentals
applications and the ethical considerations
that accompany these groundbreaking fields.
Hello, I'm James Ramos, and our first objective is to provide you with a solid foundation in the fundamentals of gene therapy.
A solid foundation in the fundamentals of gene therapy is essential for comprehending the intricate science behind this revolutionary field. As its core, gene therapy involves the deliberate modification, addition, or regulation of genes within living organisms to treat or prevent diseases.
A solid foundation in the fundamentals of gene therapy empowers individuals to navigate its complexities and appreciate the benefits of ethical challenges, serves as the catalyst of gene therapy.
Understanding the fundamental principles of gene therapy includes the deletion, the insertion, and alteration of specific genes to achieve therapeutic outcomes.
Absolutely, James will explore the basic principles behind gene therapy and the various techniques used to manipulate genes within living organisms. Gene therapy relies on fundamental principles centered around the strategic manipulation of genes in living organisms for therapeutic purposes. Key techniques involve introducing therapeutic genes using methods like viral vectors or CRISPR-Cas9 for precise modifications to existing genes. The regulation of gene expression, controlling when and how genes are activated, is crucial for achieving therapeutic outcomes, ensuring selective targeting of specific cells or tissues enhances precision while minimizing potential side effects. As these scientific techniques advance, it is equally essential to address ethical considerations such as informed consent, underscoring the importance of a balanced and responsible approach to gene therapy.
From somatic cell gene therapy to germline gene therapy, will uncover the applications and implications of each, offering you a comprehensive understanding of the science behind the gene therapy.
In germline gene therapy, DNA is inserted into the reproductive cells, eggs or sperm in the human body. Germline gene therapy will correct the genetic variants of the reproductive cells of an individual, and this would be passed down to future generations.
Somatic cell gene therapy involves the placement of a human gene into the living person's somatic cells, cells that do not reproduce, the eggs and sperm that in turn produce in the next generation. Somatic cell gene therapy would aim to cure disease only in the patient, not in the patient's descendants.
Also get a copy of DNA. To get specific, in a eukaryotic cell, that's going to be before mitosis or meiosis in a time known as interphase.
Now, let's dive into a current application of gene therapy. From treating genetic disorder to combating infectious diseases and certain type of cancer, gene therapy is revolutionizing medicine.
Gene therapy has ushered in a new era of medical innovation with diverse application. One primary focus of the treatment of genetic disorder, where therapeutic genes are introduced to correct or compensate for malfunctioning genes, offering potential cures or amelioration of inherited condition. Additionally, gene therapy has showed promise in combating infectious diseases, leveraging genetic modification to enhance the body's immune response against pathogen.
And we won't stop there. We're also exploring the potential future application of gene therapy, addressing complex medical conditions that were once considered untreatable.
The future of gene therapy holds immense promise in addressing previously untreatable and complex medical conditions. As scientific understanding depends and technology advances, gene therapy is poised to revolutionize medicine in several ways. One exciting prospect is the potential to treat neurodegenerative disorders such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease by targeting and modifying specific genes associated with these conditions.
But it is crucial to acknowledge the challenges and ethical consideration. Our aim is to provide you with a balanced view, navigating the promises and limitation of this evolving field.
While gene therapy presents immense potential, it is crucial to acknowledge the challenges and the ethical consideration inherent in this evolving field. Challenges include the need for precise targeting to ensure the therapy reaches the intended cell without unintended consequences, potential immune responses to therapeutic agents, and the long-term safety and efficacy of these interventions. Ethical consideration involve issues such as informed consent, genetic privacy, and the potential for unintended societal consequences. Our aim in discussing gene therapy is to provide you with a balanced view and navigate both promises and limitations.
In this segment, we'll stimulate thoughtful discussion on the ethical, social, and regulatory aspects of gene therapy.
Stimulating thoughtful discussion on gene therapy necessitates a comprehensive exploration of its ethical, social, and regulatory dimensions. Ethically, considerations revolve around questions of consent, ensuring individuals are fully informed and voluntarily participate in these transformative interventions. Socially, discussions should delve into issues of accessibility, equity, and the potential societal impact of gene editing technologies, including concerns about genetic discrimination and the inadvertent creation of genetic hierarchies. From a regulatory standpoint, the conversation must address the establishment of robust frameworks that balance scientific progress with the protection of individuals and communities.
And let's not forget the potential societal impact. We'll discuss issues related to consent, genetic privacy, and the potential for unintended consequences.
By fostering informed conversations, our goal is to encourage you to critically evaluate the ethical dimensions of gene therapy and actively participate in discussions that shape responsible scientific advancements.
Safety, accessibility, and equity are paramount concerns. We'll delve into the ethical dimensions surrounding the implementation of gene therapy.
As we conclude the exploration of gene therapy,
We hope this video ignited your curiosity
and deepen your understanding and inspired thoughtful reflections.
on the potential and ethical consideration of this groundbreaking field.
Thank you and see you next time.
Hello!